Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, and every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay guys, welcome back to an AliExpress haul. I haven't done one of these in so long and I feel like I don't know, like categorize them in different ways, if that makes sense. Like I do, like a just strictly AliExpress AirPods video, and I'll just do a strictly AliExpress accessories video. I am planning actually on doing another one of those curated type videos in the near future with AliExpress activewear, because I found some really amazing sellers on AliExpress for activewear. I definitely wasn't expecting to, so I will be doing a haul on my activewear, just my activewear from AliExpress in the near future, so stay tuned for that if you love AliExpress, because I love AliExpress. It's one of my favorite places to shop online just because everything is so affordable. Shipping is really fast. Honestly, I haven't had anything take longer than 2 weeks in a really long time. Like they have upgraded their shipping to the point where you basically get all of your packages at once. So everything gets shipped to like a shipping hub, and then it gets shipped to a shipping hub in your country. So I think mine is in like Richmond, BC. So everything gets shipped to Richmond, BC, and then everything gets packaged into one package and then gets shipped to me. I've also had stuff come from Ontario, so it gets shipped from China to Ontario. Everything gets, shipped together and gets to me really quickly. Also, I've had to return something to an AliExpress seller pretty recently, and it was really easy. And there was only one shipping hub in my city though. That was the only issue that I had. Other than that, the return actually went pretty well. So highly impressed with AliExpress lately, and let's just get right into the video before I talk too much. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, so let's get right into the video. The first item that I picked up is actually on my phone right now, and this is a Rilakkuma phone case, and I thought this was just so cute. So if you guys are wondering, I have the Huawei P30 Pro still. This is my vlogging camera and all of that stuff. It's such a great phone, and I've had it for so long now, and I haven't been able to really find anything that could compare to how amazing the camera is on this one. So I've kept it. And it does have really pretty phone cases. So I know that when I used to have Samsung, I used to struggle trying to find cute phone cases. When I had LG, it was even worse. Like I couldn't find any cute phone cases for one of my LG phones. But this one is just so adorable. So it does have Rilakkuma on there with some donuts. And then it does have this little donut charm that hangs down from the front, which is really cute. You can add different phone charms to this if you want, because it does have a little thing that you can clip any phone charm to if you really wanted to. So that's really cool. So that is the first thing that I picked up. Next thing, I am not going to be going in any particular order. This is going to be everywhere, so I'm sorry. But I did pick up a necklace from an amazing seller. So this is just so me. I am a hiker person, and this is a bighorn sheep Swarovski necklace. So beautiful. This seller sells really high quality items. This one is missing one of its rhinestones, as you guys can see. Wait, I don't know if you guys can even tell, but it is missing a rhinestone there. With how much I paid for this necklace, I did end up filing a dispute, and they actually refunded me my full purchase price, which was really nice. I think this necklace was around $26, so it was more pricier than other pieces that you would find on AliExpress, because it's definitely like high quality. It just was missing a rhinestone, so I was surprised that they were refunding me my whole purchase price. I was only expecting like maybe half or something, because I was keeping the necklace. I just wanted like some money back because it wasn't perfect, and they just refunded me all of my money. So that was crazy, and that was a great experience. Definitely great customer service from that seller. But yes, I do love that necklace. I wear it a lot. Next up, I'm gonna get into AirPod cases just because I only have 2 of them. I got these in the mail yesterday, so they're still in their packaging. As you guys know, I love my AirPod cases. I have the AirPod 1 and I love my AirPods. I use them all the time. So this particular one looks like this. It is a Starbucks AirPod case. It does have a really pretty topper on it. Like, this is so cute. It's like pink whipped cream with strawberries. Obviously nothing that Starbucks actually has, but this is so cute and I think it's so adorable. It does come with one of these key rings as well. I don't find these very sturdy, so I never use mine. But it also does come with this attachment right here, which is really cool. So you can attach this to this hook right on the side right here. So this is really adorable. It does come with a Starbucks drink, and then it has the Starbucks logo charm, and then it does have this as well. It says nothing is impossible with like dog paw prints, which is so adorable. This is so cute. I love this so much. So I cannot wait to put this on my AirPods. Right, actually I'll probably do it after this video. It's just, AirPod cases are really hard to change in and out of. If you guys know the struggle, you know. Another AirPods case, it does come with the same attachments as I just showed you. The Starbucks charm and the little Frappuccino and everything. So it does come with the same attachment. This one also does come with the keychain as well. And then this one is more of like a cherry blossom sakura type Starbucks drink. I feel like this is definitely one of those like Japan exclusive drinks or something like that. This one is really, really cute as well. I love the cherry blossoms on there. And I don't know, I just felt like I wanted a new AirPod case. Even though I have so many AirPod cases, I wanted these because they're cute. So I got those. I am watching quite a few AirPod cases that are in my cart right now at the moment, so they are, you know, like pretty inexpensive. I think those ones were a little bit more pricey because they did come with a full keyring. I think those were around the $7 price range, but that's still not bad at all, like $7 to $8 for those AirPod cases each, which is not bad. And I might do a future just strictly AirPods AliExpress haul at some point because I like collecting AirPod cases, I think. Okay, so next up, I picked this up. So this is for my Louis Vuitton agenda, and it's just a pencil case. It does have some confetti in it. It's really cute. It does have like shells and stuff like that in there, and this is just basically a pencil case, or you can put pens or whatever you want in here. Pens, pencils, stickers, sticky notes, stuff like that. And this just clips. This is the A6 insert. It just clips on the inside of your agenda. So this is my agenda. I did a whole video just kind of showing you guys stuff that I picked up from AliExpress for my agenda, but I just got this in the mail yesterday. So next up, I got a few clothing pieces, actually a couple clothing pieces. The rest that's in this bag are definitely for my future AliExpress activewear video, but this next piece, oh my goodness, I absolutely love this. So I grew up in the 90s and Spice Girls were a big part of my childhood, and I just love the whole like girl power era. It was like the best. So I definitely saw this and I needed it in my life. I actually first saw this at the Bay. There was a company that was selling these sweaters and they were like in the men's section, but they weren't actually at my local Bay store. They were only online, and they were like $80, and the reviews were horrible. Like, it was just saying how bad quality it was, and I went on a mission to find the sweater, and I think I was just browsing around AliExpress and I just so happened to find this. So this is printed on. It does have the Spice Girls logo from their very first album on there, and I'm just so excited for this. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I honestly do think it's pretty good quality. You know, like the image is not really like super grainy or anything or blurry. Like, I think it's pretty good quality. So that's what that looks like. This was $20. So definitely better than spending $80, and it's such a cute sweater. I cannot wait to wear this. I love just clean, fresh, crisp white sweaters. Love it. Okay, this is from the Charlie D'Amico collection. I'm sorry, I don't watch her. I think she's a YouTuber or a TikToker, but it's like one of her merch is like with Dunkin' Donuts, and I like Dunkin' Donuts. So this was the same seller as the Spice Girls sweater, and I saw this and I thought it was really cute. Just kind of like a good, just chillin' at home type t-shirt. I would even wear this out with like skinny jeans or something like that. I would make it into a whole outfit. It's so cute. It's just a pink tee. The material on this is actually really nice as well. There is a ton of her merch with Dunkin' Donuts on Aliexpress. Her name is like on this. I feel so dumb not knowing her like merch and stuff like that. I just don't watch her videos, so I have no clue, but her stuff is really cute. It does come in like hoodies. It does come in white as well. I might pick up more stuff from her collection on Aliexpress, of course, because I'm not spending like merch prices on someone that I don't even watch. I have only ever purchased one YouTuber's merch ever. I'm still actually waiting for it to get shipped to me, but it's such a cute sweater. Just, I had to get it, and I got it from this particular YouTuber. So that's the only thing I've ever bought from any YouTuber so far, is this one sweater that I'm still waiting for. So next up, I picked up this clip. It's just a claw clip, and I just thought it was really cute. And in the summertime, when I want to put my hair up because it's too hot or whatever, I can just, you know, take this with me, put it in my car, and just, you know, clip my hair away into this. And these honestly break so easily for me. Like, I clip my hair up to take a shower when I don't want to wash my hair, and I use a claw clip similar to these. And you guys, I go through so many claw clips that it's crazy, but I thought this one was just so adorable that I had to get it. It just has peaches on it. I think they have a few different colors as well, but I really just like that one. I thought it was really cute. So next up, I got this necklace. It is a teapot. It is a long necklace. So as you guys can see, it's pretty long. I can just basically just put it around my neck and wear it, which is nice. I don't have to like unclasp it or anything. So this is really cute. I do really like it. They have a few different styles and stuff like that. They have, you know, this one, they have one with cups, they have a bigger teapot. They all actually open, so you guys can put stuff in there. It's almost like a locket, which is cute. And the only thing I will say about this is I don't like how yellow gold the chain is. I feel like this is just very like just fake looking, and I don't like that. However, you can definitely just take this off and replace it with another chain if you really wanted to, which I might end up doing because I haven't worn it yet, and I've gotten this a few months ago actually. But yeah, the chain is just throwing me off. It's just a lot of gold. It's like too much gold. And I'm more of a silver person anyways, but that did not come in silver. It just came in gold. So next up, I got this necklace. I actually saw another YouTuber wearing something similar on Instagram, I think. Instagram, yeah. And everyone was like asking her where she got her necklace from, and she like never replied to anyone. So I hunted it down, found it on AliExpress, of course, and it's just a butterfly choker. So it does have some diamond studs right there as the choker part, and then it has some hanging dangly butterflies. This isn't exactly like the one that she has. I think her butterflies had some bling to them. They weren't just plain gold butterflies, but this is cute, and the gold on this one is definitely a whole lot better than the necklace that I just showed you. Let's just do a quick comparison. Look at how yellow this one is, and this one is like how it's supposed to look. I have two more things left. I have another thing from the Swarovski seller, the more expensive seller. However, this piece was pretty inexpensive for like their store, I would say. So I got a ring. I'll just put it on because it's easier to show you guys. So it is a strawberry ring. It is so pretty. Looks like that. It's not adjustable or anything if you guys were wondering. I think this was around $8, I want to say. And the stone on here is just so pretty. I love how dainty and cute this is. And the very last piece is this cherry necklace, and this one is of course my favorite color in silver, and it just has some dangly cherry pieces on it. This is definitely like a choker like the butterfly one that I just showed you guys. This one is so cute. So that is pretty much it for my video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
You deeper than I